Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gitanjali Garg. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my skincare routine with all of you guys. Not just morning, not just evening, but the AM and the PM skincare routine. I know you guys have been waiting for this video from the community poll that I made and posted few weeks back. Most of you guys have voted for me to be making a skincare routine video, and here I am with my skincare routine. I know you guys are very much excited for this video, and so am I. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Before I start with the video, I really want to tell you guys that this is a non-sponsored video. I am not promoting any of the products that I am mentioning in this video. Also, this is not my recommendation. I am just sharing all the products that work for me, not necessarily that they will work for you. So I would really strongly recommend that you should do your own research, because everyone's skin is different. Even if you buy any of the products that I mentioned in the video, please do your own research before buying them. And even if you buy, please do a patch test before you put them on your face. I'm not a licensed specialist, I'm not a dermatologist. It is just the products that work for me. I'm just sharing all the things that work for me, not necessarily that they will work for you. Starting on with the video, trust me you guys, I've never ever taken skincare so seriously. Even when I was working for a beauty organization, even then I wasn't really taking my skincare very seriously. I think I've just been blessed and been lucky, and thanks mama that you did that for me. I think I still remember from this basic, very basic skincare that she introduced me to. She did not introduce me. It was just kind of given to me as a ritual. And I remember I used to crib so much when she used to put this Pond's moisturizing cream. I don't know whether you guys remember it, but I clearly remember. And thanks to her that she did that for me. The moisturizer used to come as a surprise to me every time I used to go to school. Before I used to head out, she used to load me up with a lot of moisturizer. I don't know whether it helped me or not, but I've never had a very huge skin concern, no drastic skin concern I've ever faced in my life, apart from this forehead acne situation that I will tell you about later in the video. But otherwise, there's no melasma, no hyperpigmentation, just the dark circle problem, which I feel every woman has. No worries, we are going to discuss closely about the skincare routine, and I just hope that it somehow helps you as well. I have kind of made it very easy for you to understand, just 5-step basic for beginner skincare routine. But I either love this 5-step skincare routine or under 5-step skincare routine. There are days when I do my 5 steps, and there are days when I just skip the serum and put all the other 4 steps, and I'll tell you why do we do that. So starting with the first thing, I really want to tell you the first rule of skincare, which is going from thinnest to thickest consistency. By that I mean cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, and then the SPF. Now I'm not going to go deep into the science of why do we do that, because trust me, even for me skincare is very much new. And if you guys feel that there's something that I'm not saying right or something that I'm not doing right, just please be very kind to me in the comment section. If you feel that I should change something, add something, or subtract something from my skincare routine, put it in the comment section, educate me, but please be kind. Like you, I am also learning throughout this journey. So starting on with the first thing and the first step, which is the cleanser. Now I'll tell you the importance of the cleanser. Cleanser is your very much basic first step of your skincare routine. You cannot skip this step at all. Like, it is important for removing excess oil, dirt, makeup buildup, any kind of excess sebum production. I feel that cleansing is very much important, and you should definitely double cleanse your face. Now there are many ways of double cleansing your face, but what I basically use is this Cetaphil oily skin cleanser. It's for combination to oily sensitive skin. It deeply cleanses and helps minimize pores without stripping skin of natural moisture, and this has been my favorite go-to product, you guys. I have used it so much since my college days as well. It is a very gentle cleanser. There are some cleansers wherein you feel that your skin is getting very tight and very dry after cleansing your face, but with this it does not happen. Definitely, if I am not wearing makeup, I just go with this one. A very mild, non-reactive, dermatologist recommended for sensitive skin. So if you are somebody who has a combination to oily or even oily skin, just go for this one. Next, on the days when I am wearing makeup, what I basically do is I use this L'Oreal Gentle Lip and Eye Makeup Remover. Take it on your cotton pad and just place it on your eyes, and you will see your makeup just melting down. I've been using it since my college days again, and not only college days, I used to use it even in my flying days when I was a cabin attendant. I just love this product. People have been recommending me a lot, many makeup removers, micellar waters, but nothing worked for me. I know there are many options there out in the market, and especially when it comes to cleansing balms, there's a Clinique cleansing balm. And there was this video that I was watching from Hiram. I do not really remember the cleansing balm that he mentioned, but if you guys know about it, please put it in the comment section. I would like to know. Not a very high-end one. If there is any budget-friendly option, please do let me know. Once I am done cleaning my face, what I basically use is this foaming face wash, which is from Pilgrim, the salicylic and glycolic acid foaming face wash. This is also for oily and acne prone skin. I do not have acne, but I prefer using something which is foaming and takes off all the dirt and the makeup properly. So this one basically cleanses and resurfaces skin, fades blemishes, and reduces breakout. Again, it is fragrance free and there is no artificial fragrance, and this is what I love about this one. Till now this has been working for me. I will not say that it is a very mild cleanser. It is a good face wash, foaming face wash for the days when you're wearing heavy makeup, just on the places where I feel I'll have to wear makeup. I just use this one post removing my makeup with a makeup remover, which I mentioned before. The next step is my favorite step now. Earlier, I used to make a lot of fun. I used to feel that why do we need a toner? Yes, the next step is the toner. I used to feel, why do we need a toner? It's just this watery thing. I really doubt what is it going to do for your face. Again, I'm not going to complicate it for you, but it just kind of sets your face for the rest of the skincare that's about to come. The one that I am using is this polyhydroxy acid 3% from the Minimalist. It's again for all skin types. It tightens pores and hydrates your skin. All you have to do is take 2 drops of it on your palm, rub it and tap it, or just gently spread it around your face. This is what I've been using since past 2 months. Earlier I was also using this one from Kama, and then I started using one from Pilgrim, but I like this one because it maintains the pH of 4.0 to 4.5. This is kind of very mild for oily and acne prone skin. Once I'm done with the toner, the next thing that I use is my serum. Now there are people who might use this serum at night, but I prefer it during the day. I've had some acne, not a very drastic acne, but yes, I did have some acne situation. Due to that, I got some pigmentation here and on the forehead as well, and that's the reason that I started using a niacinamide and alpha-arbutin skin clarifying serum from Pilgrim again. It's for all skin types. It prevents future breakouts, brightens skin, reduces acne scars and pits. So this is the one that I started using. One thing that I really want to tell you guys before you use any serums, please do not start using your active ingredients. By active ingredients, I mean your serum. It can be niacinamide serum, it can be hyaluronic acid, it can be vitamin C, it can be retinol. Please don't start using them daily. Your skin might be very sensitive and your skin might get irritated to these active ingredients. There's no harm in putting active ingredients, but I would strongly recommend that you start with once a week, then next week you can apply it twice, and then thrice a week, and then maybe go on and apply it every day. I still put it after every 2 days. I do not put my active ingredients every day on my skin. Only on the days when I'm using this in my AM routine is the same day when I'm using my PM serum as well, which I will tell you while I go ahead with the video. And yeah, that's all about the serum. Oh no, one more thing. You might not want to touch the dropper of the serum directly on your face. That's not the right thing to do. What you just have to basically do is take 2-3 drops on your hand, rub it gently and pat it, or just kind of spread it on your face. What you are doing is, whenever you are touching the dropper on your face, you are putting all that bacteria back to the bottle and you are kind of spoiling the whole serum. I have seen many influencers and many beauty bloggers doing the same thing. I don't know why they touch the dropper to the skin, but ideally you are not supposed to touch the dropper. to any surface. You just need to drop 2 to 3 drops on your hand, rub it and spread it or tap it on your face. That's the right way to put it. Please do not touch the dropper on any surface. It's just going to spoil your whole product. Now that we've spoken about our serum so much, let's talk about the fourth step, which is, any guesses? Okay, the moisturizer. And again, this is one of the most important steps. I think every step is important in your skincare routine, and this is again a very important step. What I am currently using is from the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors plus HA, which is hyaluronic acid. What you basically have to do is just take a pea-size amount, spread it and tap it or gently rub it on your face. This is what I've been using since past 2 months, and I've seen a lot of difference in my skin. It has some amount of hyaluronic acid, so I prefer using this as a moisturizer because the texture is good. It gives my skin a subtle glow and it maintains that glow throughout the day. Also, the texture is very good, very light, very non-sticky. Just take a very small amount and spread it on your face. There is no crease, there is no white cast. You can see it's very non-greasy, no fragrance at all. I just love this one. The next step is the very important step, you guys. Like, you have to live by this step. If you guys are serious about your skin, if you guys are watching this video for a skincare routine, you cannot skip this step. I have done that and I've had this major situation in the past. What I was basically doing was I was putting all the active ingredients on my skin, but I wasn't finishing my skincare routine with an SPF. You cannot leave the house. Even if you are at home, you have to apply your SPF. Right now, if I'm filming this video, if I have a light in front of me, I am making sure that I put my SPF before I apply my makeup on my face. So if you remember, while I started the video, I mentioned about this forehead acne situation that happened in the past, and the reason was that I was putting hyaluronic acid, but I wasn't really protecting my skin with SPF. Please, I would really strongly recommend. Please guys, there were times when I did not take it seriously because there was nobody to kind of educate me the importance of SPF in my life. But honestly, there are so many benefits to SPF. It prevents hyperpigmentation, it's good for anti-aging, it's good for melasma, preventing you against melasma, and it also prevents you from skin cancer, the sun damage and the UV rays, the harmful UV rays. So please, even if you are home, load yourself with a lot of SPF. Ideally 2 to 3 fingers. I think this is what everyone says, and this is what I've been doing. Not 2 to 3 fingers, but I think since I have this creamy SPF, the one that I am using is from Pilgrim again. It is SPF 50 for all skin types. This is the one that I am using. It's a creamy tinted SPF, and the reason why I use this is because I'm not a makeup person, so it gives a very light tint on my face, and I kind of use this 3p sized amount. Is that what they say? Yeah, I just hope you know what I mean. So yeah, just load yourself up with a good SPF. Invest your money in a good SPF. I'm not saying you have to buy a luxury or a high-end SPF, but there are a lot many options. Once this one gets over for me, I'm going to try the Aqualogica or the Earth Rhythm. I've heard many good reviews about both of these products. One thing that I want you guys to help me with is recommending me a spray SPF, because I would want to replenish my SPF 3 times a day. Right now I'm just replenishing it twice, but I just want something which is convenient, something that I can apply over my makeup. I know there are some limited options out there in the market, but I've just not kind of been able to figure out the right one. So if you guys know any good spray SPF for me, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll be really obliged. Talking about my PM skincare routine, I'm using the same cleanser, the same toner, but when it comes to serum, now listen to me very carefully. The serum that I'm using is this retinol and hyaluronic acid serum. Whenever you are introducing retinol to your skincare routine, I would suggest that you should definitely ask your dermatologist before doing that. I am using this Pilgrim one as of now. Also, I am in my early 30s, and I just thought that maybe by adding some retinol, it's kind of going to help me with anti-aging and fine lines and wrinkles. I have started kind of applying it, but only on the days when I'm applying my niacinamide serum in my AM routine. After every 2 days, I do not apply it every day because I do not want to irritate my skin with a lot of active ingredients, and this is what I recommend to you guys as well. One more thing that I love about this serum is that it comes with hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid is actually a humectant. What it basically does, it draws moisture from air to your skin, or else it draws moisture from your skin and brings it to the surface of your skin. Also, it kind of deeply moisturizes, leaves your skin very supple, hydrated, plump throughout the day. Apart from this, I want to share this small tip with you. If you are applying HA serum or hyaluronic acid serum, you might want to do that on a damp face for the same reason that I mentioned before, that it's a humectant. It takes moisture from the air to your skin, or else it draws from your skin. Post my serum, I go with the same moisturizer, which is from The Ordinary, the natural moisturizing factors plus HA. The last step, this is something that I do once a week, and you do not have to necessarily do it, but I just feel it works for my under eye dark circles. What I basically do is I just take a homemade natural almond oil. I just put a drop of it on my ring finger and I spread it on my under eye very lightly. I think almond oil is good for anti-aging, for reducing dark circles, and it also has vitamin E and vitamin A properties. I don't use it every day, I just use it once a week, and yeah, this is what I love doing, and looking like a glazed donut at night. So yeah, if you want to go ahead and use it, you can do it, but again, before you apply anything, do a patch test. Don't just blindly follow me. This is what I strongly recommend. Please do not blindly follow me. Just do your own research, educate yourself. Your skin is the largest organ of your body. You cannot take it for granted. Just be gentle with yourself. Even if you're just starting with your skincare, you might just want to be very slow and gradually build up the amount of product that you are using. So that's it. That's about my AM and my PM skincare routine. I hope you love watching my skincare routine. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Please help me in achieving 500 subscribers. Your subscriptions do not cost you anything, but it will help me in keep staying motivated and keep going on this journey. I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, keep smiling and be happy. I love you all. Bye bye.